Yeah, so do you think that that's like the best kind of protection for drivers to have, like to keep them from getting deactivated or like falsely accused?
Yeah, I think that having the dash camera is just the most important thing that you can do for your business. At the end of the day, each driver is operating their own business, and they have to take measures to protect themselves. Drivers are sometimes deterred from buying dash cameras because they're expensive. They think, it's not going to happen to me. The reasons are numerous. Look, it's all random. All this stuff, whether you get attacked or you get the false accusation against you, it's all random. And if you can take efforts to make yourself less of a target, it's worth the $100 that it costs to put it in your vehicle and keep you on the road earning money. What, just putting yourself in the best position to be the best entrepreneur that you can be.